It's so bad out there right now. There's so much noise. There's so much bullshit in the marketplace. People offering things that just flat out aren't true. Thinking there's these magic strategies where you can, run LinkedIn automations that just grow your business and set up 1,500 different email domains and just run a bunch of cold email campaigns. Or you can hire a VA for $3 an hour and they'll set you 12 qualified retainers each and every month. Guys, I really hope that you guys can sift through the bullshit that's out there. And unfortunately, I know that there's a lot of folks that just aren't aware of what works and what doesn't. Now, here's what I can tell you factually. My clients that are winning, that are in the 7 figures, high 6 figures, they're not doing that stuff. They're not looking for magical strategies. They're not chasing the next shiny object. They're disciplined. They have routines. They work on the mindset. They work on a real proven strategy. They're not just chasing every little shiny object that pops up their way. So my advice to you is to learn to say no and cut out the noise in the marketplace. And when you're evaluating a solution for your business, shift from quick wins and start thinking about long impact and long traction and things that really build, lasting relationships. Guys, if it was this easy, if all we had to do was set up an email campaign to be successful, everybody would win. It's harder than that. You need a comprehensive system, and that's why we've built the Relevant Recruiter method, is because it's a methodology. It's a system that works together. It's not one little email strategy over here. Guys, stop wasting your time with these childish games with your recruiting business. You deserve to work with professionals and people that are going to build strategies and long-term systems for you. This is Donnie. We'll see you in the next video.